I wanna be with you, and I wanna stay with you, just like the stars shining bright. You're glowing once more, right here beside you, and still walking wherever you go. You will live forever in me, breathing deeply within me. And just take it all. I'm nothing without your love. I promise I'll never leave your love. My heart is beating 'cause of you. Forever and ever and ever. Only you can take my heart. Dear my love, 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 I wanna stay with you. Tayong medyo jingo.
Ito.
Weather ngayon is...
Oops, it's closing na.
Weather ngayon is...
Hintayin natin, tita.
11.
Dito na
Pero
lang.
feels like...
Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Say, salta ka.
It's Ginkgo.
Ginkgo. Ano, tita?
Oh, hindi naman ano yan. Meron yan sa Pilipinas.
Oh my God, love! It's so ganda! Oh my God! Oh my God, it's yellow, yellow, yellow. Saan ka ngayon?
Japan.
So far, are you happy?
Yeah.
Anong favorite part mo ngayon? We're going to park
And Shibuya.
and Shibuya. Are you excited?
Yeah. Ginkgo.
Happy? What?
There's so many ginkgo.
You like Gingo trees?
Yes.
Are you
happy here? What is stinky when it's stinky when it's a tree? What is lemon?
Oh, here, oh, you see, you look at the real, tree of lemon.
Wow.
Magandaan na ako dito. Tatanong mo ako ng ganyan.
Oh, daan na.
sige na. Sa Meiji Jingo. So, nakakapagod. Naglakad. Nakakahingal. Ano ma?
Yung pula na maple.
Pula na maple? Hanapin natin yung dalawa. Kasi tumatakbo sila eh. Si mama yun sa likod. Tumatakbo sila. Nasaan na sila? Let's find them. Hope we can find them. Woo. Let's see if makakain tayo sa Takeshita Street on lunch. So, check natin. Ayun sila. Kita ko na. Kita ko na sila. Ayun sila! Habol ko kayo.
We're tired.
Ha? How was it? What happened?
Fun.
Tired na si Ate Step, oh.
Si Lolay.
Ayun si Lolay. Andun sa bridge. Si Lolay. Ayun pala si Lolay.
Galing ba tayo dito?
Ayun si Lolay.
Galing tayo dito?
Hindi. Ba yan? So, ayun. Start na kami ng aming paglalakad. Going to Yoyogi Park. Yoyogi Park, let's go! Yoyogi Park! Let's go to Yoyogi Park. Time check. Yung time check natin. Temp check. Nasaan na yung aking temperature weather? 16? So, 16 degrees Celsius tayo. Pero feels like ayoko na. 16 degrees Celsius feels like ayoko na.
Kaya.
Kaya. Nanginginig na nga yan sa ginaw. Kaya pa daw. So, punta tayo kay Lolly. Let's go to Lolly. Let's go to Lolly. Warm up talaga. How was it? Ha? Pagod?
Pagod pero ganda.
Ganda. Walang ganito sa Pilipinas.
Tama lang yung lamig ano.
Wala talaga.
Di ka rin.
Talong-talo.
Kahit na ano.
Ako pinagpapawisan na ako eh. Dahil sa innerwear. We'll buy rainbow sandwich later!
Yeah.
It's a stretchy.
Where's the bird? Look at the
So cute. So, nasa loob kami ng Yoyogi Park. Hinahanap namin
Mo na lang.
ang bird sanctuary. Tsaka yung ay dito na ata eh. Ito na ba yun? You think so? It's here na?
Ano mga bird?
Ay, ikaw mag- Ay, nakakatakot. Ano yun? It's Subway.
Again.
Ay, ang ganda dun.
Ang ganda. Oh my God.
Napapatangkan ito.
So, going kami sa kung saan man to with Ninay. Here's Ninay. And
Nasira yung
Lovey. Lovey. My fiancé.
My friend.
My friend. Look at that.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. There. It's a maple tree the leaves are not yet falling. Where's the bird? We will hunt them. We will hunt the bird. Pagod pala mag-vlog ng hawak ng ganito. Diyan mo yung nakikita namin. Sheesh! Let's go!
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Can wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. I've seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Kapit! Yan, ganyan.
But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause the thing is I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh.
iPhone mo, iPhone.
Slated din eh.
Demo Itotsu mayonnaise nashi da yo. 2? 1? Oh no. Yes, 2 order but no 1 is no mayonnaise. And then 1 order.
1.5.
Full? Yes.
1.5.
1 order. Full? Full? Yes.
Finish?
Yes. Ito sa mas.
Huwag ka lalapit sa... Pag pinulot mo yan, they will come and ask.
May chili garlic dito.
Or this one lang. Maliit lang. Or rainbow cheese.
May 700.
There's one.
Magkano yun sa peso?
There's 1, 2, 3 rainbows.
280.
280. Dito, dito.
Yeah.
Mainit pa.
Gaganon
Try mo first bite lang.
Pupul
Huwag mo hawakan. Hindi mapupul. Ano? Wala pa. Wala pa kasi.
Wala pa yung cheese, oh. Okay, one.
Mozzarella
Wait
cheese.
lang.
Mozzarella cheese yun.
Oh,
Yeah.
Grabe ang aesthetic naman.
Ano lang?
Wala pa nga eh. Bread pa lang yan.
Ano yung parang ano? Parang mozzarella?
Aha.
Inagaw niya. Oh, you eat. Ay, hila. Pre-opening
ano,
sila.
May reservation.
Pre-opening pa lang, kakabukas pa lang niya. Hindi, yung mga
How to
nanalo.
win entrance?
Language free?
English?
English? English?
Yes. Today... Oh, okay, December.
Wala na, yung mga nanalo lang yan.
Sorry. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Next time. Hindi tayo nanalo, di natin alam.
Tayo nanalo. Sa iba na lang, hanap na lang.
Bye. Alin?
Sino daw?
Daifu, pagkain.
Pala ko sinday po.
Bili tayo, strawberry.
Ano yan? Strawberry shop. Ay, ano yan? Ano yan? Pangulo. Yan sa may strawberry brown.
Yan, go.
Iharap mo yung ano mo. Yan. Alisin mo sa mukha mo.
Sige. Bye.
Ito next strawberry? O, si Loli kakain. Yummy. Yung matamis na kinukuha mo. Kagatin mo yung grapes. It's like grapes in the Philippines. Mm. Ano yan? Ano yan? Oh, tira mo. Bakit? Nanginig ka?
Sour.
Oh, ito na lang yung candy. Let's go! Ay, ang laki. Tingin mo na siya yung gusto niya.
Asan yung cup? Asan yung cup?
Who do you want to pick? Let's check your RNG. Okay? Put 4 coins. Let's check your RNG kung gaano kagaling RNG mo, ha? So,
And twist.
Sige pa, sige pa. Full rotation. Sige pa. Hindi kaya.
Open. I-open.
Nakuha mo yung gusto mo. Lolo.
Again, let's go downstairs.
Ay, ano siya? Figurine. Bibigay mo lang kaya.
May loli yan.
Let's go
Kaya no.
downstairs. Let's go
Kaya no.
Kay?
Kaya no.
Kay Lole.
Mahiligin sa pusa eh.
Kuha na lang ulit tayo mamaya.
Si Toto naman, si Toto muna.
Ito naman sa akin. Pili ka. Kaya natin yung gacha, yung ano mo, arrange mo. Magaling arrange mo. Pili ka dito.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the night,
Okay, mukha ka mo.
and I can feel the sun on my skin.
Tapos ano?
Beginning to throw from within. Today is not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
Tapos lang to.
Yes po. Then mo na kay tita, mag-ano lang kayo.
Late ako.
Ha?
Late ako.
Diyan lang.
Amis muna ako.
Wow, Nina, tinan mo.
Look at that, Tina.
Heaven.
Wow, bebe.
Heaven. Heaven. Ano?
Heaven.
Heaven. Heaven. Heaven daw. Heaven.
Paano?
Paano? Again. Look.
Paano yung rapture?
Look in the sky.
Uy, rapture.
Heaven.
Tara lang. Ayun yung Tokyo Tower. Look at the Tokyo Tower. Ayan o.
Ayun o, pwede tayo doon, Atina. Ayun o. You want to go there?
Ah, may staff. Picture tayo dun lang.
May pila.
Ay, napahigi. Kaya nga, pwede nga. Tara. Ha?
Kaya jump.
Sarap pala matulog.
Nasag sa'yo, Tita May gaan eh.
Halika, Tina, Tina, you lay down. Together with Lali.
Yay.
Lay down. Lay down dito. Sabi ni Lali.
Where are you?
Wala pa, wala. Yung ani.
Ayan na, mag-start na 9:30.
Nina, tugs, 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 tugs.
Ganun. Tigs, 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 tigs. Ito ba?
I'm the helicopter bossy.
No, bawal. See you again next time. Tayo ng guard.
Hindi naman nakatingin. Bawal. Walang tao. Hintayin natin sila.
Hintayin mo.